Welcome back to SoftGPT. Today we've got something explosive lined up. We're comparing GPT-5, Google AI, and then revealing the model that leaves them both in the dust. Today we're diving straight into Zela, the AI model that can do what GPT-5 and Google AI can't. In just one sentence, Zela generates a fully playable 3D game, and you can try it right now. But before we show you why this is revolutionary, let's quickly compare. GPT-5 gives you text. Google AI gives you flashy demos. Zela. It gives you actual living playable worlds. If you want to understand the real future of AI and gaming, this video is for you. Let's start with GPT-5. Yes, it's powerful. But what does it actually give you? Walls of text, endless coding vibes, and non-stop conversations. Great for writing, but playable output? Zero. Then comes Google, packed with flashy presentations and conferences showing us a future-perfect vision. But when it's time for a real product, either it's delayed or stuck as a demo. So, both generate massive hype. But when it comes to delivering something real, tangible, and playable, both fail. Now you might be wondering, so where's the real revolution? That's where Zela AI comes in, operating in a completely different league. Zela AI is the world's first 3D multimodal gaming model. Type just one sentence and it generates an entire 3D game. Think about it. No coding, no engines, no dev cycles. Right in front of you appears a living, breathing world. Characters, maps, NPCs, logic, physics, everything ready to go. And that's not all. Zela AI comes with remix mode. Swap your boss mid-fight. Transform a city into a space station. Instantly drop into your anime fantasy world. Which means you don't just build once, you can remake and remix the same game over and over again without ever starting from scratch. Now take a look at this. I gave the exact same prompt to both GPT-5 and Zela AI. On one side, GPT-5 is still processing, still thinking about how to respond. But here, with Zela AI, not only did it instantly create the game, it even launched the gameplay right away. The difference is crystal clear. In terms of speed and output, Zela AI is way ahead right now. Now, you can see how it actually works. All you need to do is type a simple prompt, hit enter, and it generates everything for you. The game is ready and starts instantly. And here's the cool part. You even get a remix mode option. So if you want to make changes to your game, you can do it on the spot. For example, I just switched the mode to spaceflight. And instantly, the entire view of the game transformed. It's absolutely insane. And now, you can even watch the real gameplay footage in action.
Better steer clear of that building, unless you're dying to max out your credit.
So that was our deep dive. GPT-5 and Google's hype machines versus the real revolution. If Zela can do this today, imagine what it could generate a year from now. Forget prompts that just sit on a screen. Zela turns them into worlds you can actually play. The link is in the description. Check it out right now.
Wrap for today's SoftGPT tutorial. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more AI tips. Comment your favorite feature below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.